Nihon Seiki and Dynamo, Additive Manufacturing. Cases and Achievements. Case 1. For HTC 45, the larger the flat surface is, the easier it distorts and cracks. But from our past achievements, we designed the laminated shape considering the balance between the internal shape and the finished shape, so we could provide molds that are difficult to distort due to residual stress after molding. Case 2. I would like to introduce an example of the problem caused by aluminum die casting from our customers. This is the picture of die casting product. Both are images after 4,000 shots. The mold insert is burned and melted so severely that it is hard to maintain its shape, and the maintenance is needed when it reaches 4,000 shots. In conventional drilling, a sufficient cooling line cannot be installed at the tip of the mold, which leads to the mold's short life and more frequent maintenance when it reaches 4,000 shots, which has an impact on mass production. In order to solve this problem, we proposed changing to a design that has 3D shape type internal cooling lines, which can expand the radiation area, which was impossible with conventional drilling. As a result, the cooling effect can be improved, measurement for seizure and meltdown, and also cost reduction can be expected. As you can see from the photo, it is totally different by comparing these two inserts. In addition, mold's life has been extended to 40,000 shots from 4,000 shots before. As a result, the frequency of die maintenance was reduced from 10 to 1. The production cost of Am insert is about 2 or 3 times that of conventional products, made from ordinary steel and machining process, which is not cheap, but when it comes to mold's life and maintenance frequency, it is worth the investment. From the perspective of running to improve life and reduce the frequency of die maintenance, this has greatly showed the difference. Case 3. Same as Case 2, measurement against seizure. This is a mold using conventional drilled spot cooling. This time we tried conformal cooling solutions for the burned area. Conventionally, burning occurred at the initial stages, but as you can see, there is no surface deformation and the surface is left very smooth. Case 4. Temperature comparison. Images of mold using conventional drilled spot cooling. The upper image shows the temperature after casting, which is about 350 degrees Celsius. The lower image shows the temperature after sprayed the mold release agent, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. After the Am component was installed in the mold, the upper image shows the temperature after casting, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, reduced by about 170 degrees Celsius. The lower image shows the temperature after spraying the mold release agent, which is about 100 degrees Celsius or less, reduced by about 115 degrees Celsius. This shows that the temperature of the conformal cooling methods after spray is lower than the conventional type after spraying. Case 5. Case 4 proves that Am specification in molds contribute to shortening cycle time and improve productivity in actual casting. Left photo is a conventional mold. There is a fence which makes it difficult to see in this video. The mold release agent is being sprayed so we cannot go any closer. Due to the long process of spraying the mold release agent, the mold is opened for 21 seconds, and the cycle time was 40 seconds. On the other hand, in the Am specification mold on the right image, as you can see, cooling from the inside makes it easier because there is no need to apply the mold release agent spray, which makes the process very smooth. The mold is opened only for the process of taking out the product. the mold is opened only for taking out the product. By the way, in this case, the mold release agent is applied by pressing the powder release agent from the sprue just before pouring molten aluminum. This is the only release agent for the mold to release the product, and it also leads to environmental improvement because it requires the minimum necessary usage. In this case, productivity has increased by 38%. This is quite innovative. There are still many more cases. Please contact our staff for more details.